There are two main bones in the lower leg, the tibia and the fibula. The tibia is the larger bone. It is also called the shin bone. It holds most of your body weight. Moving down into the foot has 26 bones. These are divided into three groups: the tarsals, the metatarsals, and the phalanges. The tarsals are the ankle bones. One important tarsal is the calcaneus, which is your heel bone. Another important one is the talus, which connects your foot to your leg. The metatarsals are the longest bones in the middle of your foot, and the phalanges are your toe bones. All of these bones work together to support your weight, help with balance, and allow movements like walking, running, and jumping. For this animation, I am showing the left, lower leg, and foot. Now, let's talk about the major muscles in the lower leg. On the back of the leg, we have the gastrocnemius. This is a big calf muscle you see from the outside. Underneath it is the soleus. Together, these muscles help you point your toes downward. This movement is called plantar flexion. It's what you use when you stand on your toes or push off the ground while running. On the front of the leg, we have the tibialis anterior. This muscle runs along the shin. It helps you lift your foot forward. This movement is called dorsiflexion. Without the tibialis anterior, you would drag your toes when you walk. On the outside of the lower leg, we have the fibularis longus and the fibularis brevis. These muscles help turn the foot outward. This movement is called eversion. All these muscles work together to stabilize the ankle and help you move smoothly. Now for some cool facts about the legs and feet. First, your feet contain about 1/4 of all the bones in your body. That's a lot for such a small area. Second, the calf muscles are some of the strongest muscles in the body because they support your entire body weight every time you stand or walk. The pressure on your feet can be up to 1.5 times your body weight. Also, the arch on your foot acts like a spring. It absorbs shock and helps you push forward when you move. Your legs and feet are constantly working, even if you don't notice it. Now, to highlight specific lower leg and dorsal foot muscles, including the origin, insertion, and action. First, the gastrocnemius starts at the femur, just above the knee, attaching to the calcaneus through the Achilles tendon. It plantar flexes the foot and helps bend the knee. Next, the soleus. It begins on the tibia and fibula. It also attaches to the calcaneus through the Achilles tendon. It plantar flexes the foot. Now, the tibialis anterior. It starts at the tibia and it attaches to the medial cuneiform and first metatarsal. It dorsiflexes the foot and inverts it. Now, for the dorsal muscles of the foot, the main dorsal muscles are the extensor digitorum brevis and the extensor hallucis brevis. The extensor digitorum brevis starts at the calcaneus, attaches to the tendons of the toes through 4, and it helps extend those toes. The extensor hallucis brevis, also from the calcaneus, attaches to the big toe and extends the big toe. These dorsal muscles are important because they help lift and control the toes during walking. Without them, your toes wouldn't extend properly when you move. In conclusion, the lower leg and foot are made up of important bones and muscles that work together for movement, balance, and support. From the tibia and fibula to the small dorsal muscles on the top of the foot, each structure has a specific role. Even though the feet seem small, they are complex and powerful. Every time you walk or jump, these muscles are doing their job.